Hello, welcome to the Audio Mova Learning channel. In this video, we have listening in easy English about different topic each day. Let's talk about the psychology of color in website design. Have you ever wondered why certain websites make you feel calm and relaxed while others seem energetic and exciting? The answer may lie in the psychology of color. Color plays a crucial role in web design, influencing how users perceive and interact with a website. Let's explore how different colors can evoke specific emotions and impact user behavior. Red, for example, is often associated with passion, energy, and urgency. Websites that use red prominently may create a sense of urgency, encouraging users to take immediate action. On the other hand, blue is commonly linked to trust, stability, and professionalism. Websites that incorporate blue hues may appear trustworthy and reliable to visitors. Yellow, known for its cheerful and optimistic connotations, can evoke feelings of happiness and warmth. Websites that use yellow sparingly can create a sense of playfulness and creativity. Green, associated with nature, growth, and health, can make a website feel fresh and calming. Incorporating green elements can create a sense of balance and harmony for users. Orange, a color often linked to enthusiasm and energy, can add a vibrant and energetic touch to a website. Websites that use orange accents may appear lively and engaging. Purple, often associated with luxury, creativity, and wisdom, can give a website a sense of sophistication and imagination. By strategically using purple, websites can appeal to a more creative and visionary audience. Black, a color of power, elegance, and mystery, can create a sense of drama and sophistication. Websites that incorporate black elements may convey a sense of luxury and exclusivity. White, symbolizing cleanliness, simplicity, and purity, can make a website feel minimalist and modern. Websites that feature white backgrounds often appear clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Understanding the psychology of color in website design is essential for creating engaging and user-friendly websites. By choosing the right color palette, designers can evoke specific emotions and influence user behavior effectively. Next time you visit a website, pay attention to the colors used and how they make you feel. Thank you for listening to the Audio Mova Learning channel. Stay tuned for more interesting topics in easy English.